Hi, this is Greg, and this is my review of the Standard Barbell used in every New York sports club. Here we have a look at the bar. The bar is fatter than your average Olympic lifting bar, and if you come down to the end here, you'll see, watch the spin on this. The bearings are not good. You're not going to get a great spin on this, so it does have an effect if you're doing any type of jerk or pull movement. If you come over here, you see the knurling in the middle. It's not really useful unless you're doing some type of farmer's carry. And the knurling overall is very weak. It almost feels sanded down. That does become an issue the further out you go on the bar for movements like the snatch. Here you see me working on clean and jerk at 175. This doesn't put a lot of pressure on the bar itself. I'm just not that strong. I have to keep the bar tight to my body, which is what you have to do in the lift anyway, but mostly because if there's any slight deviation, those plates don't turn and it makes balance very questionable. Now, here you see me working on the snatch, and this is only at 125. Once again, I'm not that strong. Again, the bar must be kept very tight. It's a difficult grip because the bar is fatter. Hook grip is harder to hold. And again, because of those poor bearings, if the bar deviates anywhere from my body, it's bad. So in the end, here are the pros and cons. Fatter bar, grip strength. This is just self-evident. If you've got stronger grip, everything becomes a little bit easier. Pull-ups, anything long that you have to pull in CrossFit, it's great. The lack of rotation, this can actually work as a pro because you are forced to keep that bar as tight to your body as possible. You are forced to really work on your balance. You need to keep everything tight. You cannot be loose for a second because of that lack of rotation. And then finally, the knurling covers the majority of the bar. You don't have a problem. Like, I'm a tall guy. I'm 6 feet tall. So when I do a snatch, my hands come almost to the edge of the bar. And I still have knurling there. So I don't have a problem with the grip on that end. This is a good thing. The cons, well, surprise, surprise, the fatter grip is also a con. Because the grip is fatter, you have a tough time getting that hook grip, which means you lose it, and now you have a potential for a bicep tear. And surprise, surprise, the lack of rotation is also a con. Because of this, you now stand the risk of injury again. You could tweak your back, you could tear your shoulder. These are big problems, okay? You can't deny it. Another con, the knurling. The knurling is very smooth. Like I said earlier, it feels like it's almost been sanded down in spots. Now, this could be years of use. That is possible. But it creates a problem for the grip as well. Once you do get further out, it is slightly slick, and you can't trust it as much. And the final con that I'm adding for right now is that the bar bends. You've all seen it. You give a nice solid pull at the bottom, and the bar shakes on the shoulders, and there gives a slight give to the bar, but it comes back. This bar bends, it stays bent. There's no coming back from that. So in the end, I give this bar 2.5 out of 5 stars. If it's there, it works, you can use it, and you can train with it. This is not a competition bar, and if you can get something better or you can use something better, do it. Thank you for watching my review, and I'll see you next time. Hi, this is Greg, and this is my review of the Standard Barbell used in every New York sports club. Here we have a look at the bar. The bar is fatter than your average Olympic lifting bar, and if you come down to the end here, you'll see, watch the spin on this. The bearings are not good. You're not going to get a great spin on this, so it does have an effect if you're doing any type of jerk or pull movement.